Morning to all of you. The last class we have seen potential energy of a system of 2-point charges and a system of 3-point charges. Mohammed, can you tell me what is the potential energy for a system of 2-point charges?
K Q1 Q2 upon R12.
Okay, very good. Lakshya, can you tell me potential energy for a system of 3-point charges?
K Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus K Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus K Q2 Q3 upon R23.
Okay, three terms are there. So if you are asked to derive the total work done to assemble 4-point charges, so that also we'll do today. So 4-point charges are there. That is the maximum number that can be asked. All are at infinite distance. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, all are at infinite distance apart. And you have to bring them to their current location. So we have to find out the work done. All are at infinite distance apart. So exactly the W1, W2, W3, everything is exactly same. That I am not going to repeat. That last topic that you will exactly copy it. Okay. So to bring charge Q1 to the point P1, work done equal to 0. W1 equal to 0. Next, you have to bring the charge Q2 to the point P2 at a distance R12. That you know W2 is equal to 1 by 4 of Q K Q1 Q2 divided by R1. Now to bring Q3 to the point P3. The point P3 is here. In between this is R1, 2 and 3 the between distance is R23. Abar Patira, can you tell me what is the work done for bringing Q3 from infinity to the point P3? Please now reach the point. Abar Patira, can you tell me the equation? K Q1 Q2 upon R13 plus K Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus K Q2 Q3 divided by R23. So third charge is also reached at the point P3. Now only you have the charge Q4. So these steps are exactly same. Q1, Q2, Q3 exactly same. Now you have a point P4 here. The distance of the point P4 from the first charge, you can mark it as R14. And from the second one, it is R14. And from the third one, it is R34. Distance. One say point 4, R14 distance. Second to 4, P4 point, R24. Third to P4 is 34. And you have to bring Q4 now. From infinity to the point P4. What is the total work done? Total potential at the point P4 into the charge you are bringing. So what is the total potential? So W1 exactly same. W2 exactly same. W3 exactly same. After writing this many, suppose if it is asked to prove, calculate the total work done. The next point will be total work done. Total potential. First line total potential at P4. Three charges are already there. They all will produce total potential. So that is equal to potential by first one, potential by second one, potential by third one. So equal to potential by first one is R1. Potential by second one is K2 divided by R2. Potential by third one is K2 divided by R2. Because all other three charges produce potential at the point P4. So this is the total potential at the point P4. Total potential at a point, it means that work done bringing unit charge from infinity to that point. So therefore, total work done. Therefore, work done to bring Q4 from infinity to the point P4. W4 equal to total potential at P4 into the charge that you are bringing. Can you tell me the equation for this? Anyone? W4 equal to K Q1 divided by R12 plus K Q2 divided by R24 plus K Q3 divided by R34 into the charge Q4. This is the work done to bring the force charge from infinity to the point P4. So when you do this work, charge Q4 also will be placed at the point P4. So all are in their position. They are taken from infinite distance apart to their current location. So what is the work done? Total work done will be stored as their electrostatic potential energy of the system. So open the brackets. When I open the bracket, multiply with Q1, Q4, Q2, Q4, Q3 and Q4. So this is the work done. So we can mark this number as work done. First equation, second, third, already got it. Now this is the fourth equation. And the work done. Total work done to assemble W1, W2, W3 and W4. Total work done to assemble them. Okay, total work done to assemble them. We have to add all the equations. So what? The next point. So total work done to assemble all the charges to their location. W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. What is W1? 0. Second, A Q1 Q2 divided by R1. What is W3? You have written this now. A Q1 Q2 divided by R12 plus A Q1 divided by R13 that's not Q2 Q3 divided by R13. Now W4, that is written here bottom. That is equal to K Q1 Q4 divided by R12 plus A Q2 Q4 divided by R24 plus A Q3 Q4 divided by R3. The total work done is this. So total work done to add can you tell me what is the equation for W2? W2 last class equation. Anyone? W1, W2, W3. Can anyone see separately? Not the total. Mohammed,
W1 will be equals
W1
to
is
0.
0.
W2 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1, Q3, Q1, Q2 by R12.
Okay. Q3, W3.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1, Q3 upon R13 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q2, Q3 upon R23.
Okay. Now W4. What you are written here? Okay. So 3 times you are written. So 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. In all the terms, Q is common, can be taken outside. 1 by 4 epsilon 0. Then I write with 1, 2. Q1, Q2 divided by R1. Then 1 say 3. 1, Q1, Q3 divided by R13. Then 1 say 4. 1, 4 divided by R1. So 1 say 2, 1 say 3, 1 say 4. So first one says error relations over here. Okay, first one with all रिलेशन कर दिया 1 से 2, 1 से 3, 1 से 4 डिवाइड बाय द डिस्टेंस. ओके, अभी 2 से स्टार्ट करना है. ये है 2 से 3 and 2 से 4. Q2 Q3 divided by R23. Then Q2 Q4 divided by R2. हो गया 2 से 3 and 2 से 4. That also completed. And last one might be that is 3 and 4. So Q3 Q4 divided by R3. Now this many terms are there? How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. When 4 charts are there. Easy to remember. K 1 by 4 by epsilon 0, 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 and 3 4. All of write this equation to copy. This is the total work done to assemble all the 4 charges to their current location. If you want to dissociate them, dismantle them to infinite distance, and what is the work done? If this is 10 joule, you have to give dismantle period minus 10 joule. You have to write. So write this equation to copy. But 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 divided by plus 3 4 and divided by corresponding distance. Divided by corresponding distance. So now I think all of you completed this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll do some numericals. Numerical number 1. These are all 4 questions. You have an equilateral triangle of side A. Some charges are placed here, plus Q charge, minus Q charge, plus Q charge. What is the potential energy of the arrangement? We used to write 1, 2, 3, etc. So you recognize 1, 2, and 3. You can recognize positive point marker factor. This is first charge, second charge, and third charge. Point A, B, C, you can mark as according to your convenience. 1, 2, 3. So it's a 3-point charge system. So you can write the potential energy 2 equal to K, that is 1 by 4 by epsilon 0, 1 say 2, 1 say 3, plus 2 and 3. Okay. And substitute the values. Unit of energy is joule, SI unit. What is 1 and 2? So U equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon 0. What is 1 and 2? Where is 1 and 2? U plus Q and minus Q. What is the value plus Q and minus Q? Minus Q square. What is the distance between them? 1, 2 distance. A. First one completed. Second. 1, 3. 1 and 3. Plus Q. Plus Q square. What is the distance? Again, A. Triangle outside A. Q to Q3. Minus Q plus Q. That is minus Q square. Distance is A. Plus it like 1 minus Q square plus Q square cancel. Remaining you are getting as 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 minus Q square by A. So equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 Q square by A. So suppose you want to dismantle them to the infinite distance. What is the work required in this case?
One upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square upon A.
Okay. So work done to take them again to infinite distance. Dismantle, dissociate them to infinite distance is minus to take the वापस infinity. So that will be equal to minus of minus 1 by 4 epsilon 0 Q divided by A. Square by A. So you get plus 1 by 4 epsilon 0 Q square by A. 1 point. Then minus sign change करता है. Okay, next one numerical 4. 4 particles, 4 charges that you have to complete. Numerical number 2, again 4 questions and also NCERT question. You have a square on side A. And 4-point charges are placed at the corners. Plus Q, minus Q. Plus Q, minus Q. You can mark the points as A, B, C, and D. The answer starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. You can mark from anywhere you can start. Recognize first charge, second charge, third charge, and fourth charge. So these are 4 charges. Write the equation. All of you calculate the values. Do it fast. Equation will go. First is the total potential energy. You are writing the equation. Potential energy will be equal to 1 by 4 epsilon 0, which is 1, 2, R12, 1, 3. Hence R13, 1, 4, R12. Now 2 say Q2, Q3 divided by R2, Q2, Q4 divided by R24. Last one, Q3, Q4 divided by R3. Now 1 and 2. 1 and 2, ऊपर नीचे एक plus Q and minus Q है. Plus Q and minus Q, first term. 1 by 4 epsilon 0, Q1, Q2, 1 and 2 minus Q square divided by 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 diagonal. Diagonal distance is root 2a. याद रखना. Diagonal distance is root 2a. So 1 plus Q है, दूसरा plus Q है, so it is plus Q square divided by 1 3 हो गया. 1 4. 1 4 is here. 8 distance में. Minus Q square divided by 3. That also 2 and 3. 2 and 3 minus Q plus Q. Minus Q square by 3. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 again diagonal become minus Q. That is plus Q square by root 2a. Now last one 3 and 4. That is minus Q square by 8. This way obviously by 1 minus Q square, second minus Q square, third one, fourth one. 4 minus Q square terms are there. 4 into minus Q square term. Now you have Q square by root 2a 2 times. 2 times Q square by root 2a terms. So something you can take common. So this is equal to Q square by 8 can be taken off. So 1 by 4 by epsilon 0, Q square by a is outside. And here it is minus 4 is there. And here it is 2 by root 2a is there. 2 by root 2a is there. So this is the value here. That is 1 by 4 by epsilon 0, Q square by a minus 4 from 2. So this is the work done, potential energy of the system. The work done to dissociate them will be equal to just negative of this. This was board question and answer. Next point we are going to discuss, that is 2020 question. You can see the question paper. So if two charges are, that means they're placed in the external field. External field, what will be their potential energy? In all the cases, we are taken the charge 1, 2, first one charge is taken to a point where there is no field. Now the charge, first one you are bringing to a point where there will be a field. So potential energy of a system of 2-point charges in an external field. The external field is produced by someone. So what will be that value? So that is this year or question. The next heading is potential energy of a system of 2-point charges in an external field. Not a free space, somebody is already producing electric field from outside. So two charges are there at infinite distance, Q1 and Q2 at infinite distance. You have to bring them to the point P1 and P2. But P1 and P2 already they are in an external electric field produced by someone. There is an external field. External field is already there. External field is applied by someone. When there is an external field, you have potential at the points P1 and P2. There is no field. P1 and P2 present condition where there will be no potential. But when there is a field, so potentials will be there at any point. So at P1, the potential is P1. At P2, potential is P2. These potentials are produced by the external field produced by someone. So point P1, there is a potential. At this potential or to the point P1, you have to bring the charge Q1. So what is the amount of work done to bring the charge Q1 from infinity to the point P1? So point number 1, we write work done to bring Q1 from infinity to the point P1. So what is the potential there into the charge? If there is no potential, work done will be 0, but now the potential is there. So potential at the point P1 into the charge of P1. So this is work done W1, V1, P1, P2. Previously we used to write this work done as 0. Now the work done to bring the charge Q1 from infinity to a point where there is a potential, and that is equal to W1 is equal to V1 into. Next point number 2. So Q1 is already reached at the point P1. So Q1 also will produce some potential at the point P2. Some potential is here P2. In addition to that, this one also will produce the potential at the point P2. They are separated by distance. P2 may one potential is there V2 that is contributed by the external field, and Q1 also produces its potential. So second point, what is the total potential? Total potential at P2 equal to P2 already had by external field plus potential produced by the first charge, that is Q1 divided by R1. Potential का मतलब है work done bringing unit charge. Suppose you are bringing Q2. Now Q2 में लेके आना है is and you are placed at the point P2. So next point, work done to bring Q2 from infinity to the point P2. Total potential at the point P2 into the charge. Total potential is P2 plus Q1 divided by R12 into the charge at the point. So this is W is equal to P2 plus Q1 Q2 divided by R. Equation number 2. Okay. So Q1 and Q2, they are already located at the points P1 and P2. They are in the external electric field. This is 2024 question. Take the rest paper. Okay. What is the work done to assemble them? Total work done to be added. To bring first charge also you have to work. Second charge also you have to work. So total work done. So total work done equal to W1 plus W. That is V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 divided by R. This work done is stored as the potential from the external field equal to V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus K Q1 Q2 divided by R. Very important. Suppose there is no external field. What will happen to this equation? Anyone? If there is no external field, there will be no V1. V1 will be 0. First time will be 0. There will be no V2. Second time will be 0. What will be you are getting? K Q1 Q2 divided by R12, which is the potential energy of the system or 2-point charges in the absence of external. So this is the expression. That's very important one. And there is numerical also. You have to practice the numerical from NCERT. So if you can write in the short form, I'm giving a numerical. Note down this, how to calculate this value. And here we are giving non-uniform electric fields. So write this numerical. Short form you can write. Determine the electrostatic potential energy of the system. Determine the electrostatic potential energy of the system consisting of two charges. 7 microcoulomb and -2 microcoulomb. Consisting of two charges, 7 microcoulomb and -2 microcoulomb, with a bracket with no external field. With no external field. With no external field. The two charges, 7 microcoulomb and -2 microcoulomb, with no external field, placed at 2 points, -9 centimeter, 0, and +9 centimeter, 0. X axis में रखा है. One is toward the origin, another is to the left side of the origin, another to the right of the origin, respectively. So you have to find out electrostatic potential energy of the system of two charges separated like this. So 7 microcoulomb is here and 2 microcoulomb contains 1. First, without any electric field, external field, calculate the potential energy. Second part of the question is, how much work is required to separate these two charges to infinitely long distance from each other? What is the total amount of work done to dissociate them to infinite distance? That is second part. Third part, suppose they are placed, same system is placed in an external electric field. That is given by E is equal to A into 1 by R square. So electric field vary with the distance. It's not a uniform electric field, vary with the distance according to this equation, where A equal to value of A is given as 9 into 10 to the power 5 SI units. Then what would be the electrostatic potential energy of the system? So first one without external field, second one to dissociate them to infinite distance, and third one when external field is there, how to find out the potential energy. So I think all of you can calculate the first part without any field. Write the equation, all of you. Without any field, what is the equation? Case 1. Without any field. Potential energy equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R12. K Q1 Q2 by R1. Write the values with the sign. Calculate the value and tell me. Anyone calculated? So calculate this value and it is NCERT. How we complete this at home. 3 points are there. First, without external field, dissociate energy required to dissociate them, and external field. Complete this numerical from NCERT. Practice other numerical from the NCERT. This part is completed. We have to start with capacitance from next class. Thank you. Practice numerical from NCERT.